Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And guys, today I am going to tell you in details when you buy a new bike, when you take a round of it and when you park it and then when you stop it, a sound comes, tuck, tuck, tuck sound. How many of you guys have noticed that sound or how many of you guys have heard that sound? Do let me know in the comment section below. Now why that sound come? Is it a good sound? Is it a bad sound? Do we really have to care about that sound? All that we will know in this video, guys. So it is going to be a very interesting video, so don't skip even a bit, guys, otherwise you will lose important information. So now I will turn this KTM on and I will keep it on for some time. I will let it heat up and then I will turn it off and we'll see if the sound comes of this bike. If that sound comes, then is it a good sound, or if it is a bad sound, when that sound stops coming, or why that sound comes in the first place. All that we will know in this video, guys. So without any further ado, let's get the video started and let's start this KTM.
So guys, first I will turn on this KTM and I will keep it on for around 15 minutes. I did not ride this bike for a long time, guys, so let's heat it up for a while. When you turn the key on of the bike and when you turn on the ignition button, you will hear a sound inside of your fuel tank. As you guys can see, this is the sound. What that means is your fuel pump is working properly. So my fuel pump is working properly now, guys. Now I will turn the bike on and my bike also started properly, which is a very good sign. So now I will keep it on for a while like this till my cooling fan turns on. Once my cooling fan turns on, I will stop the bike. Now after 15 minutes, as you guys can see, my cooling fan started now. What type sound comes when your cooling fan starts, that also I will show you here. So as you heard that is what a cooling fan sounds like. Once that sound comes, I stop the bike. So here I have stopped the bike. Now after I turn it off, the tick tick sound will start to come. So come on, let's hear it first. So here inside of my house, my mom turned the grinder on. So first, guys, the sound is quick and after a while it slows down a bit and it comes after a while.
So there you have it, guys. You heard that sound and that sound comes.
It comes from this bike catalytic converter, which is this one. And the silencer of this bike is down here. You guys know that already. So once you turn the bike on, the first thing that hits up is your exhaust manifold. You guys know that already, because all the heated fumes from the combustion chamber comes out from here. So the job of the catalytic converter is to make the pollution less. So when the smoke passes through the catalytic converter, it purifies a little bit before it comes out from the silencer. So now comes the important part. The pipes that are used inside of this catalytic converter on the outside and in the inside are sometimes made of different types of metals. So how quickly they heat up and how quickly they get cold, the time of all those metals are different. Now another thing of this catalytic converter is it cools down the smoke which comes out from the combustion chamber. That is the reason why your silencer doesn't heat up that much. If you take this catalytic converter totally out from the bike, then your silencer will start to heat up quickly and it will heat up more as well. So here to support me, my cat is come, as you guys can see. So come on, let's get back to the topic. So guys, when you ride the bike, your entire manifold system heats up and the metals inside of your catalytic converter also heat up and they expand. The silencer pipe also expands. Everything expands here, guys, because they are supposed to heat up. You guys know that already. This is also called as thermal expansion. Now when you stop the bike, immediately cooling will start. What that means is all these pipes and all these components will start to cool down. Now that expanded metal will start to contract now and it will come to its normal size. What I mean by that is each metal, when it is cold, it has a different size, and when it is heated up, it expands and takes a different size. So when these pipes start to cool down to reach the size of the cooling state, that is the time that sound comes. It is a sound of metal contracting. The metal is again getting smaller now because it is cooling down now. Now if this sound stops to come, what I mean by that is when your bike was new it was coming, but now it is not coming anymore, then there can be 3 reasons for that. The first reason can be, guys, you are not riding the bike that much, you are taking only a short round and you are parking your bike again. So the metal is not getting that much time to heat up, so it is not expanding as well. That can be one reason. The second reason can be, guys, your bike is become slightly old and the metal which is there inside of your catalytic converter expanded already and they stayed like that only. They did not contract anymore. they will not contract anymore, guys, because that metal has become weak now. And the third reason can be, guys, the metal mesh which is there inside of the catalytic converter, or some metals which are there inside of it. All those got rusted, they deteriorated, and they fell inside of the catalytic converter. And now your air purification is not proper. Now these are the three reasons that can happen, guys. Now if your bike is working properly, you don't face any problem with the ride quality, your pickup is proper, your ride quality is good, your mileage is good, then you should not take any tensions about it, guys. This is like a normal process. But if you face any problem while riding the bike, then you can replace this catalytic converter and see. Before you replace this catalytic converter, check what type smoke is coming out from your silencer. Take a pollution test of your vehicle, check the reading and match it with the previous reading. What I mean by that is, compare the old pollution test and the new pollution test and check the norms. If the pollution is proper, then you don't have to worry about it. You can check one more thing, guys. Check if your silencer is heating up too much.
So there you have it, guys. Hoping that you found this video useful, and I'm hoping that you have learnt a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.